make one comment for online sampling. Just to give online sampling options, so we have also informed this to vendor to provide one sampling, so that a sample can be taken and then they can check in laboratory.
Okay, so this is threat because we have to have a SOP for taking the grape sample, because grape sample is very difficult in terms of high pressure scenario. But good, Rakesh has mentioned, because I was knowing only for online sampling, so we have to create the SOP for this. We'll take on recommendation.
Yeah, but that will be from the analyzer's kit itself. Means that this after reducing pressure, the same sample which is going to analyzer, the same sample will come to the sample bottle. Like
yes, Sudeep, we will take one recommendation to prepare the SOP for making the grape sample, because this is high pressure, high toxic, and we have to make one procedure, and we have to train the people so that there is no hazard while taking the grape sampling online. No problem.
Okay.
It will not be at high pressure.
Yeah, after PR, what is the pressure? After PR, pressure reduction system?
Very, very low, maybe less than 2-3 bar.
Yes.
Okay, but even though we need to have SOP for collecting the grape sampling.
Yeah, that is okay, but pressure will not be there. Yeah.
No problem. So guys, I am saying yes, this can impact people, and there may be fatality.
Here, Chairman, here can you write potential loss of containment leading to toxic gas? You put H2S concentration 7%. 7%. No, not put approximately 70,000 ppm. 70,000. Yeah.
So good guys. So Rakesh, now here, I mean, I'm generating one fatality. So one fatality is okay. There may be a chance of multiple fatality because of H2S.
H2S it's multiple, but considering the location, it's unmanned, so we can take it. One is okay, fine.
But if it's one person going for taking the sample, obviously according to the ADNOC procedure, it has to be some company with him, so it will be 2% minimum.
Yeah, it should be 2, but they should not go this high H2S. They should always wear a SCABA, and that will be recommendation. So the personnel who is going to visit should always have the SCABA